Hey friends, today I am starting a new series called To Do application in Node.js. So first of all, we need to create a basic boilerplate to continue our work. So in this video, we will create that. So to get started, we need to install Express as globally. To do that, I am writing npm i-g express and enter. This will install or update my package. Okay, so this has been updated. So now we will write clear and enter, and now we need to create a basic boilerplate. To do that, we need to write express view express hyphen hyphen view equals to EJS. Note that how this is written. Let me rewrite that. Express hyphen hyphen view equals to EJS, this, and then a period sign after space, with a space basically, this, and then when we hit enter, it will create a multiple files and some folders like bin, public, routes. Don't get scared of them. These are just basically a boilerplate code we need to get started. So you don't need to install anything, basically write anything. We can continue our work. So now let's install npm. Let's install the dependencies it need to work. For example, cookie parser, debug, EJS, express, http morgan, these, and we will create a dev dependency, basically development mode, start and function. I don't know what I said. Just let's focus on this npm I to install these dependency. And if you note that there is no node modules folder, this will create that and install them. Okay, so node modules has been installed. uh, we the node modules we need add basics. So now let's install dev dependency node mon npm I save dev hyphen hyphen save dev, like this, and then node mon. Okay, so this has been installed and I have cleared terminal. As you can see, node mon as dev dependency, and in package json you can see that there is nodemon and version 2 point something. So let's clear that once more time, and now let's continue installing socket.io and mongoose. To do that, I am writing npm I and hyphen hyphen save. I guess we don't need that, but it's okay. And now we will write mongoose and socket.io, socket.io. Okay, so this has been installed, and now we can continue our work. Let's test our basic boilerplate of express, which it gives us by default. Basically, to we need to obviously we need to modify this package json, because we have installed nodemon. Start dev, I am writing start dev, like this. You can write anything like nodemon dot slash bin slash www, and note that it's this file is not .js or anything. It's just plain text, but because of my Visual Studio Code I am getting this JS icon. You can see that there is no JS in file name. Okay, so let's continue our work. We just need to see our application. So let's write npm run start colon dev. When we run this, it will start Express app on port 3000. Make sure to note that it's port 3000. So let's open Chrome and enter localhost colon 3000, and as you can see, if I zoom this little bit, we got something like this, express and express. So if you see source code of this, you will notice that we didn't wrote express. It is coming from uh, app.js, I guess, or maybe structure is little bit changed. Okay, here res.render title equals to basically JavaScript object title is express, and it will copy express here, here and here. So if you see, E is capitalized in everything. That's the difference. So okay, so it's time to end this video. So till then, take care, bye bye.